Hi y'all, bonjour, hola, my name is Trish. If you're new, welcome. So guys, I know you saw the thumbnail. Yes. The channel now has membership. So it's the Quistt membership. If you're excited and you want to join, I'll be happy to have you on board. Now, I'm sure you're wondering why I have this membership. You know, in the past, some people have asked me how they can reach out to me with questions that they have. And I've done my best answering the questions on Instagram, but I think that it's about time that I create this membership so I can help you even further. So there are 3 different levels to this membership. For the first level, you will get all the perks. So you will be getting badges as well as emojis that will basically, you can use in chats and stuff like that. Now, besides those 2, you will also have 2 free flyer templates every month for joining the level 1 membership, as well as a sneak peek of all the videos that I'll be posting moving forward. So that is for level 1. Now for level 2, you get all the privileges of level 1. In addition to that, you will also have a live chat with me once a month. And also I will make available my Photoshop course to you for free. Well, when you sign up. And then for level 3, you get all the privileges of level 1 and 2. To top it off, you will have a one-on-one live Photoshop tutorial session with me. So guys, these are the 3 levels for the memberships. So to make it easy, I have a link in the description of this video that you can click on that will take you straight to join the membership. Also on this video, as you're watching, you will see a blue button that says join. So when you click on that, it will take you to the membership, and you have to go through a few steps to sign up. So guys, there you go. I'm excited, a little nervous, but it's a new adventure, and I think that we will all have fun on this new quest. So I can't wait to see you all join and, meet you one-on-one and have, live conversations with you all. So guys, until then, take care of yourself and I will see you. Bye, y'all.